1998, TAF is born. 2002, International Exhibition in Rimini, Italy. 2003, massive support structure for Romeo and Juliet on ice. 2004, TAF's new factory in the Czech Republic, with large, complex projects to follow. 2008, 62 employees. 2009, expansion to America with TAF USA. 2010, GS 910 high-capacity truss. 2013, 3D TAF tool. 2015, TAF TT104. Design and production of support structure at Soho Garden in Dubai. New TAF USA warehouse in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. 2018, the innovative Falcon Connection System. 2023, ultra-modern production, nearly 50 highly experienced welders, and a professional design team. TAF, 25 years strong.